Let's start with a history lesson. This is one of the founding bikes for the Syndicate. Really like you guys to hang out for this whole video. It's not very long. Trying to get monetized still. Anybody that clicks away before the video is done means that their watch time is no longer counted for monetization. So please, if you can, hang out for the whole video. Wait for it to stop before you click away. Really appreciate it. We're sitting on almost 6,000 watch hours, and the earn button says we've only got 2. Let's get this thing monetized. Let's get this thing rolling. The more monetized we get it, the more we can put back into the business and future builds. Hang out. We'll give you a little Syndicate run through and a little history on this trike, the Syndicate, and what was done to it afterwards. So let's start with a little flashback. Many of you know, many of you don't know. I am co-founder of the Florida ATC Syndicate. Yes, we had a decent run, and this 350X is one of the ones that was the start of the whole thing. Robert and I got together. He traded me this for a Z. Pretty much how you see this thing sitting is how I got it. It was all stock. Different colored plastics with the CBR 600RR slip-on. Turned around, couple of years of racing it. It's got the Sawyer Custom and Speed inverts with CRF 450 forks, dropped 5.5 inches. TRX 450 ER rear swing arm with a 34 tooth rear sprocket, custom link made, a piece welded onto the frame for the link, and a YZF 450 rear shock. This thing handles amazing, accelerates amazing. The top speed, because it only had 5 gears, was increased drastic by going to the smaller sprocket. I'm going to throw in a little bit of ride video after this, so make sure you hang out for the rest of it. Couple of jumps, see how this thing runs. If you've seen it in person, you know. If you haven't, then you wouldn't know. But this thing is an absolute beast. Perfect upgrades for any 350X. You got anything you need? Let me know. We'll see what we can do.